Hello, all my joyful creators. Welcome to this very special video. As you can tell in the title, I got some happy mail. And I have a Crochet Society unboxing. But before we begin, while I am opening it, let me just say, spoiler alert, if you've not received yours yet and you don't want to see what is inside, then do not watch this video. All right, are you ready? Dun 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 dun. Let me turn it the right way. Here we go. So here is our box for today. Let's see. And I'm just looking at all the details. It's so pretty. And that's our sides. I think sometimes I get just as excited about the boxes as I do as to what's inside. I have not looked at any videos. I have completely stayed away from them, so I have no idea what to expect, but I'm real excited. So are you ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, bright, pretty yellow paper. Whoops. Isn't that pretty? All right. Let's see what we have. All right. Let's dig in. So, got some stuffing. So that means an amigurumi of some kind. And now that I have a grandbaby coming, I love the idea of amigurumis because they make the perfect washable play toys. All right, look at this yarn. Look at these colors, you guys. I mean, isn't that just gorgeous? Look how nice and rich that is. Like, those are really, really pretty. It says that they are super soft, chunky, and of course they are from the Bella Coco crochet brand. And from what I'm told, these colors are only available in the Crochet Society box. And so let me see if there's a colorway. There is, and it also says it's 100% premium anti-pill acrylic. You see that right there. And it is, this one is in the colorway Marble. I don't know if that's gonna zoom in for you there, but let me see what I can do. Ah, there we go. All right. And then this one is in the colorway, and it says Bonbon. All right, those are very pretty. And I don't know why, but I like smelling my yarn. And it's very soft, and I mean, you can see it. It's squishy. Very, very soft. I just love those colors. I can't wait to see what our patterns are. And we have some amigurumi eyes. All right. And ooh, our stitch marker. Let's see if I can hold this up. It's a nice little kind of star burst. Really pretty. I'll let you read what it says. Wooden buttons to finish. So let's take a look. There are wooden buttons in here, but there was actually another little surprise in there. Trying to get the last button out. And these were the little wooden buttons that I had in there. But look at what else was in there. They say Crochet Society for like my hats or projects. The little leather bands. So that was a nice little surprise. And then we have our conversion chart. And you know what? I forgot to tell you what the theme is. And look at this. I held it up, but then I didn't read it. And it says, it is your time to sparkle and shine. Oops. Can't see what you're seeing. There we go. So that's what all the sparkle is about. It's your time to sparkle and shine. And of course it has the conversion chart on the back, and this one's got some really pretty colors to it. And then this is my passcode, but I can't show you the other side because it has the passcode on it. And I'm still going, you guys. And I got a pom-pom in here. And I'll have to see what this one's about. There's no loop on it. You know how usually with the pom-poms there's a loop that you can pull it through the hat to secure it down with, but I'm not feeling one. So maybe this is meant for something different. We'll find out. Yeah, because I'm not finding a loop on it anywhere. But nice little fuzzy pom-pom. All right. And then look at these storage boxes. And it says boxes. And I can hear, so there's more than one. And I love this. We got one last month, and that's right over there. And I had a hedgehog little thing with sticky pins in it, and I love it, and I use mine. Okay, so this one just has the pattern of the box, which I love. And then this one says, think woolly thoughts. And this is what they look like on the inside. So, love those. Really love those. And the cool thing is, you know, they stack very nicely. Oops. As long as I'm not throwing them around. Love that. Love that. And, wow. Look at our hook, you guys. It's a 5.5 millimeter. And look at the colors in that. That is beautiful. I really, really like that. Look at that. That is pretty. All right. And here's our sweet Sarah Jane. let's see what we have. All right, so first it talks about the yarn. Let's look at that. So it says 2 balls of Bella Cocoa Super Soft Chunky. And then wear your Crochet Society membership with pride with these fox leather labels and wooden buttons. Now the buttons I don't think said anything on them. Yeah, buttons don't say anything on them. All right, and then the Fox Fur Pom-Pom. Top off your makes and style with this Fox Fur Pom-Pom. Here's the top tip. Here's a top tip. If it starts to look a little flat, just give it a little blast with your hair dryer. Okay, I'm trying to see. I was trying to look to see if that one had or showed a little elastic piece on it, but it doesn't. So I guess we'll just kind of sew through the center of the pom-pom on that one. And then the hook, your handsome hook and collectible stitch marker are the perfect pair. And the nesting storage boxes. Complete your storage box collection. Last month's leafy box fits inside to make a neat set. So the other one is small enough that it can actually fit inside of this one, but I plan on putting stuff in mine, so I'm going to stack them on top of each other. All right, let's go check out the patterns. And again, sweet little Sarah Jane, and she has a little welcome message that she gives. And she says, this is the time of year when we start thinking about bonfires and fireworks. Overseas subscribers may not know, but in the UK, November 5th is Guy Fawkes Night, otherwise known as Bonfire Night or Fireworks Night. Technically, this is supposed to be about commemorating a foil plot against London's Parliament, but these days it's really just about getting cozy and having fun. Whether or not we can meet up with friends and family or go to big public events for Bonfire Night this year, I'm still determined to soak up all the cozy vibes, and that's what this box is all about. Even if we're just watching the fireworks in our own back gardens, we can all wrap up warm and top off our outfits with our Eliza beanies or cuddle up with Sophie the squirrel in front of the fire. Obviously, those are 2 of our patterns. Before I sign off, I just want to remind you that the Crochet Society isn't just a box, it's a community. As the nights draw in, it can be easy to start feeling more lonely, but there's always a bunch of friendly crocheters to chat with in our Facebook group. This year has definitely thrown some challenges at us, but we're all going to get through it one day and one stitch at a time. Happy crocheting, Sarah Jane. She is just a really lovely girl. I love these boxes. All right, moving along to pattern 1 is the Eliza beanie, and it is designed by Katie Peterson. And that is it right there. And our next pattern is, oh, how cute. Sophie the Squirrel, designed by Heather C. Gibbs. And there's our little squirrel friend. Oh my goodness. Okay, now let me show you this picture. Look at his little tail. That is so adorable. All right, and our third pattern and throughout this book there's all kinds of cool little stories and stuff, so. And it's called Smoke Signals Bag. Use simple stitches to crochet this cool bag for all your essentials. Designed by Zoe Potrek. Well, how cute. And I guess if we want, we can purchase some cloth to seal in the inside of that little bag. Normally they give us everything that we would need to complete the pattern as is. Let me see, maybe I'll go back and look. So it's not going to be included because it gives it as an optional feature. So, and this is again a picture of what it looks like actually closed. All right. So that is our Crochet Society unboxing. And just making sure there was something on the bottom, and it is the little treat yourself to receive a luxury box of crochet goodies every month from the Crochet Society. And of course this is the UK price, and it does vary depending on where you are purchasing it from and how you set up your subscription. It costs more if you purchase it month to month. You get it a little bit cheaper if you do a 3-month, 6-month, and I think there might even be a 9-month, and there is a year subscription, and that's what I do. I pay for it as a year so that 1, I don't have to keep up with it, and 2, it does come out a lot cheaper by doing it that way. So it's kind of like a combination of a happy birthday to me, to Mother's Day, to Christmas, you name it. It's my treat to myself. So anyway, all right. Well, that has been our October unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it. I know I am excited, to use these colors together. That is just really gorgeous. So we'll see. All right, well, have a great week, and I will meet you here next month when we have our next unboxing. And until then, be joyful, my friends. Stay crafty in your own way and make your own joyful creations. Bye.